how to send money from Discover credit card to bank account. I'm going to show you how you can easily send money from a Discover credit card to a bank account. Start by linking your Discover credit card to a payment service such as PayPal or Venmo. Then, open the app or website of the payment service and add your credit card details. Next, add your bank account information to the payment service. This is necessary for transferring funds from the service to your bank account. Go to the Transfer or Withdraw section of the payment service. Select the option to transfer funds from your credit card to your bank account and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Once you've confirmed the transaction, check your bank account to ensure the funds have arrived. The transfer may take a few business days to process, depending on the service and processing times. Keep in mind that using a credit card for such transfers might incur fees and interest charges, so review the associated costs with both the payment service and your credit card issuer.